Looking to add off-road recovery points on your 2024 and newer Tacoma? In this video, we will be installing the much-needed sixth element rear recovery points, also known as the RRP. In the box, you will find 2 billet 7075 aluminum recovery points, 4 grade 12.9 bolts, 8 flat washers, 4 lock washers, and 4 locking nuts. At the rear of the vehicle, there are 2 holes located on the rear frame rail. These 2 holes will be used to bolt on the recovery points. Arrange the washers so the lock washer is placed next to the bolt head, followed by the flat washer. Align the first hole on the recovery point with the corresponding hole on the frame and slide in one of the 4 bolts. Swing the RRP up into position and slide in the second bolt. On the inside of the frame, place a flat washer onto each bolt, accompanied with a locking nut. Before fully tightening the 2 bolts, push up from the bottom of the RRP to line it up with the bottom of the frame rail, then continue to tighten the 2 bolts. Using a 24mm or 15/16" wrench, tighten both nuts before torquing to specification. The final step is to torque the bolts to listed specification. Each bolt is to be torqued to 120 foot-pounds. Each point is laser engraved with torque and recovery specifications, adding both functionality and style to your 2024 or newer Tacoma. The sixth element rear recovery points accept either a soft shackle or 3/4" D-ring. The Tacoma rear recovery points are CNC machined from billet 7075 aluminum, providing exceptional strength and durability. The rear recovery points are available in either black or red anodized finishes, designed for harsh environments. Each recovery point has a load capacity of 11,000 pounds, giving you the confidence needed in off-road recoveries.